I just got tricked by a homeless man because I was driving through a parking lot and there was a guy with a sign saying, homeless, anything helps. So I rolled down my window and offered to buy him food from Subway because we were right next to one. But he was like, nah, I'm not really hungry right now. I would just prefer if you could give me some cash. So the anything helps part of his sign was definitely a lie. But I had some cash with me, so I was like, whatever, I'll just give him some money. But a couple days later, I'm driving through that same parking lot again, and guess who I see? The homeless man. But something was different about him this time. Because on this day, he was wearing brand new Jordans. He spent the money I gave him on Jordans. And you may be like, oh, why are you mad? Homeless people need comfy shoes too. And you're right. But I'm mad because the ones he bought are off-white Jordans that are literally worth more than I could afford. But somehow this homeless man could buy them? He should have been helping me out. Am I low-key just jealous of him? Yeah. Even homeless people have more drip than